What's up, guys? It's the Bitcoin guy. So here I'll be showing you how I exchange the altcoin that I mine for cash, for US dollars, since I live in the US. So this is my Lux wallet. I've shown this on other videos. Oh, now it's not responding. But so the way it works is every time a transaction comes in, it appears right here. Or I guess every time a payment comes in, it appears on the right-hand side here. And there's a little tab that pops up on the bottom right-hand corner of my screen, and it says incoming transaction. It comes in basically every time I mine more than 0.1 LUXcoin, it comes in, which is about every 2 hours or so. So right now I have a balance of 0.65 Lux. Let's see if sometimes it doesn't sync across the whole thing. So when I click send, it doesn't show up at the bottom correctly. Come on now. Sometimes the wallet can be a little bit slow. But anyway, I'll just exit out of that for now. And then I send it to my Cryptopia account. Cryptopia is just one of the exchanges that does have probably the biggest selection of altcoins available that you can buy and sell on the exchange. LUXcoin is one of them. I know that Cryptopia is pretty well known for having a lot of the newer altcoins listed, a lot of the newer ICOs. As soon as they're launched, many times they go straight to Cryptopia because it is the easiest to get on there. It is based out of New Zealand. As you can see, because of the New Zealand dollar tether is what it's called. They also have the US dollar tether. But these are the main exchanges: Bitcoin, USDT, New Zealand dollar tether, Litecoin, and Dogecoin. Let's see if I can go back to my wallet now. There it is. So it says I have 0.65, and it doesn't show up yet. So I'm going to close out of that. And let's see if I can, if it'll let me launch that again. 1 second. So here I have my wallet back up and running. And if I click on, so you can see right here, the total that I have available is 0.65 LUXcoin. If I click on send, well, this is going to freeze on me again. Oh, come on. There we go. Okay, now that I exited out of it and opened it again, it shows that I do have the correct amount of LUXcoin. So I'm going to right-click on that, copy it, or the keyboard shortcut, whatever, and then I paste it right here. And I put the my Cryptopia deposit address in here. Let's see. And then once I click send, it says, are you sure you want to send this amount to Cryptopia deposit? I click yes, and it'll tell me that the total exceeds your balance. I always do this before I actually factor in the fee, because it's a little bit different each time depending on how much I send. I haven't quite figured that out yet. Then I just click OK. So it's 0.0001. So I'll go over here to 3 decimal places. Wow, it's being really slow today. There we go. And then I can just subtract that amount from there. I click send again. Are you sure you want to send it? Yes. Now it says this transaction is over the size limit, and the fee is 0.0001. I'm not quite sure what that means. It's over the size limit, but it always requires a fee. So I just click yes, and then after a second of thinking, it sends. It's simple as that. So let's see. I'm going to go to my Cryptopia deposit now, or the account. So this is what Cryptopia looks like. It has all of these different, well, I mean, right now I'm on the Bitcoin tab, so I can exchange all this for Bitcoin. Unfortunately, although Litecoin does have one of the lowest fees, okay, and there now it's telling me I sent it. I like to use Litecoin because it has low fees, but if I click on anything here, Cryptopia shows that it has had issues basically just that they're not doing any Doji or Litecoin transactions. So essentially what I found that means is that you just can't use either of these tabs right here. You can still click on Bitcoin and well, actually I'll get into that in a second, but I'll just show you how I exchange this for US dollars. So right here is my 3 favorites. I have that checked on here on my balances. So the way I do it is I deposit my Litecoin. You saw where I came to balances right here, and I click on deposit. It'll create an address for me, and then I can copy that address and put it in. There we go. So I just click on that. I just copy that, and then I can paste it in my LUXcoin wallet and just create just put that in my address book so I can remember, so it will remember to send it to Cryptopia. So once that's in Litecoin, I come back here to, once it's in the LUXcoin wallet, I come back to exchange. And the way I do it, and some of you might have a better method than this, let me know if you find a better way that is cheaper to do it, but I come over here to Bitcoin, I click on Lux, and I come down here. It shows how much Lux I have available. So I scroll down a little bit, and it shows right here the going price in Bitcoin for Lux. So I can click on price right here, and it'll fill this in for me. I can click on the amount that I have available, and it'll fill that in for me. And then that's the total that I'm going to get in Bitcoin. I click sell Lux, which I'm not going to do right now just because I don't have enough in there to justify the fee, at least for me. So once I have that, I have it converted into Bitcoin. Then from there, still on the Bitcoin tab, I click on Litecoin, and then it'll say that I have so much Bitcoin available. It shows that I have a tiny amount right now. And same deal, I'm going to buy Litecoin with my Bitcoin. So the price, I just click on that and it'll fill it in for me. I can click on the available Bitcoin that I have, and then you click buy Litecoin. Of course, the minimum transaction shows right here, and I don't have enough for that currently, so I'm also not going to do that. But then, once I have my Litecoin, I come over here back to my wallet, and I can withdraw Litecoin to my Coinbase account, and that's where I sell it for US dollars. Keep in mind that on the exchange tab on Cryptopia, USDT is not US dollars, that's Tether. That's a cryptocurrency equivalent of US dollars. It just holds the same value. I have mixed feelings about it. I'll go over that in a different video, but I haven't used Tether up to this point, and I don't necessarily plan to in the near future. But anyway, so then like I was showing you, once I have it in my Cryptopia account with Litecoin, I can then withdraw that to my Coinbase account. And let's go there now. And here we are. And this is relatively straightforward and simple. Once it's here, I click on the Buy Sell tab, click on Sell, and I'm going to sell from my Litecoin wallet to my bank account. You can put in your USD wallet. I just think that incurs more fees than you really need to use, because eventually you're going to want to probably withdraw that to a bank account. So I just skip that middle step and just go straight to my bank account. So let's see here. I click Sell Max. I have just under 1 Litecoin currently, and it shows it'll pay me out about 170 bucks US dollars. And then I can go down here and click Sell Litecoin, and it will deposit it to my checking account. It shows right here it'll be available on Friday. Usually takes 4 or 5 business days, I find. But then I just have that cash in US dollars in my account. So that is how I can mine altcoins and turn it into US dollars in my bank account. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, or you were confused about any part, if I was unclear, let me know in the comments below. Make sure you like the video if you did like it, and make sure you hit that subscribe button so that you can see my future videos on mining and setting up rigs and all that fun stuff. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.